Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Apple Game Porting Toolkit 3 in Xcode, then enable developer mode so tools can run. Once done, get the game's source or binary and confirm the Mac OS SDK matches dependencies. This avoids ABI surprises. Next, create a new ACT project and import the executable or main binary. You will enable the translation layer and basic shims now so the game can launch. This first pass reveals missing libs and immediate runtime errors to fix. Once the project boots, examine ACT diagnostic reports to find missing dilibs and symbol mismatches. You need those details to prioritize fixes. Then adapt platform-specific code. Replace unsupported Windows APIs or add shims for file I/O, threading primitives, and input handling. For graphics, map DirectX calls to Metal via provided translation layers or implement engine-side fallbacks. Rebuild with the ACT toolchain and iterate quickly, because each run narrows down remaining issues until the game reaches its main menu. You finish by profiling with instruments to catch CPU, GPU, and memory hotspots, optimize shaders and multithreading where the profile shows stalls. Then integrate platform services like gamepad mapping, network sockets, and store entitlements, and make sure provisioning profiles and certificates are valid before signing. Sign, notarize, and package the app for distribution. If something breaks, one troubleshooting tip: run the app with full ACT logs and a clean sandbox to reproduce and isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.